when you're an entrepreneur, you must forget about the idea of copy and paste because it does not work in the modern world. When you see someone succeeding at something you want to do or something related, what you get from them are inspirations. They are insights that can help you make yours good or better, but you cannot replicate easily what another person is doing because you're not in their minds, unless it is a franchise. And by a franchise, I mean doing the exact thing, identical. The way you see KFC in Kenya, in Uganda, in London, wherever it is, it will be having the same recipes, same procedures. There, it is possible to do it in the same way. But unless it is a franchise, you cannot do it easily in the same way. So what we get from other entrepreneurs are insights. When I go to another restaurant and I see people serving very fast, let's say if at my restaurant it takes 15 minutes to serve a certain order, and I see in this restaurant it is taking 5 minutes, I will be interested in knowing how are they doing it. Are they giving very good food? Is it hot? Is it coming from the fire? How did they prepare it that fast? So I will learn from them. When I see something that I don't like, maybe the waiters are not smiling at customers, and I say, I don't like this. Then I go to my business, to Obunuzi restaurant, and make sure the waiters are smiling for customers. So we get insights. We get inspiration from other entrepreneurs. We do not copy and paste. I remember someone who came and just stole a copy of our menu at Obunuzi restaurant, then went and reproduced exactly that. Now customers would come and point at a certain dish and say, prepare for me this. And they could not prepare it because they did not know how we prepare it. The prices also, he just chose our prices, but he did not know. For example, we have fast foods. We also have a buffet. So the same food which is being used for fast foods can refill a buffet when the food on the buffet is finished. In the same way, the same chicken, the same beef which is on the buffet can also serve the people fast food. So if you're not doing the same like us, if your model is not for both buffet and fast foods, then you cannot do it at the same price that we do it. So the next time you go to a certain business, the next time you talk to an entrepreneur, do not look at copying them and pasting. Try to relate what they are telling you, what you're learning from them, to your own situation. Some ideas cannot be pasted. There's something that can work in the village and cannot work in the city. There's what can work in the city and cannot work in the village. As you plan your venture, read about other people, read about other ventures, talk to entrepreneurs, be mentored. But at the end of the day, you are the person to make sure you create your own unique business, unique products, unique policies. If you learn something from another business and it doesn't work for you, don't say it is working here, it must work here. No, the circumstances can be different. They can be totally different. A business which is on a main road cannot be the same as a business which is on a small road. If you're on a ground floor and another entrepreneur is on the third floor, totally different. So learn to borrow insights, inspiration, but do not copy and paste. I am Robert Bake. People call me Mr. Inspiration. Others now call me Obunuzi, Mr. Obunuzi, because of Obunuzi Restaurant. Thanks for supporting me. Obunuzi Restaurant is in Wandegea, opposite YMCA gate, and that's where I sit. That's where I also sell cars. That's where I sell books. That's where I also run win-win properties in case you need land, you need a house, and of course win-win microfinance.